Kei runga rāua I te uarai ki te ao matihiko, hei whakawhanake I ngā pakihi Māori.
Through Waha Digital, we're sort of teaching and enhancing our whānau to use and develop their digital foundation skills. So from turning on your phone and laptop to creating and designing their own web page, inputting their own flavour and kaupapa and passion about their business, and then being able to on-share that to the world.
Kei te mōio I nei rangatai ki te paenga o tēnei kaupapa.
He kaupapa tino o ka hirahira, kia tipu kia rea, mātou, ngauri o tēnei rohe, I te ao pakihi.
What are you up to? You know, I see you into a bit of clothes weaving.
Yeah, well, are you going to homegrown? Because I am, and if you don't have an outfit, I got it for you.
What's your company called?
CMB Boutique.
CMB Boutique.
For new business owners, to provide them with the skill and knowledge that they need to move forward with their business. And it's also a great way for other Māoris to support each other as well.
Ei tā whitu whāla, ka tae e ngā rangatai, te eke pānuku, te eke tangaroa.
There are very few opportunities for Māori and rangatahi to engage in this type of work. So digital mahi, foundation skills and building websites, even an opportunity to share with each other as businesses. And I think if this is a taste of the first bit that Waha Digital has got to show for us, really looking forward to what else is going to be coming to the party.
Ko waa te matihiko I papa. Mā te iwi e wakatupu tō rātou ake ara matihiko ki te anamata. Eruera Rerekura, te reo o te uru. Ko te reo, te take.